Hello everyone, today we'll be learning about plans and elevations. Make sure you've got today's date and title in your books underlined with a ruler. Our objectives for today then: to identify the plan and elevations of simple 3D shapes, do more to produce plans and elevations for more complex shapes, go further, create a 3D shape from its plan and elevations. So, plans and elevations, what are they? So I need you to copy this down into your book. A plan and elevation allows us to visualise a 3D shape in 2D by looking at it from different perspectives. We need 3 views in order to draw a 3D shape. So we need the plan, the front elevation and the side elevation. Make sure you've got that in your book. Pause the video here to allow the students time to copy that down. Moving on then. So a plan view is seen from above, so it's the looking down. The front elevation is what you see face on looking straight at it, and your side elevation is what you see when you see it sideways on. Make sure you've got that copied down into your books. Pause the video to allow the students time to do that. So our 3D view would look like this. So this is an aeroplane. This is our 3D view of it. Our front elevation we would get by looking at it from the front. Our side elevation, looking at the aeroplane from the side. And our plan view, looking at it from the top, so a bird's eye view of it. Okay, so we are going to draw some plans based on the image that we see here. So your bronze example is this. We are going to have a go at drawing the plan view, front elevation and side view. I'd like you to copy this example down into your books. So you first off need to draw that image, copying it down. So pause the video, allow students time to copy it down using a pencil and a ruler. Then we're going to draw the plan view, front view and side elevation. So our plan view, I can just find, so our plan view, we would see looking from the top down. So that means we would be looking at these 3 shapes here, this one, and these 2 here. So we need to draw them connected for our plan view. So our plan view would look like this, having our 3 shapes inside. So that's our plan view. Our side view, so side elevation, would look like this. So it's just these bits here, so it's these bits. So this is our side view. We're going to copy that down. So we're going to draw this just how it looks from the side. So not that big actually. Drawing our boxes. So yours will be used with a ruler and a pencil and look a little bit more accurate, but that's the gist of how it looks from the side. And our front elevation, so our front one, we are looking at this one and this one only. This is how we would see it from the front. So here we would just draw what we would see if it was front onwards, and that's what we would see front onwards, 2 squares. So that's your bronze example. Our silver example then, if you copy this down, make sure you use a pencil and a ruler. Again, pause the video, allow the students time to copy it down. So here, our plan view, so this one, we are looking at it from the top, so we're looking at all of this and these 2 here. We're looking at these as well, so we would see them if we were looking at it from the top. So we're going to draw that now. So if we were looking at it from the top, we would have an L, or backwards L for the front bit, and then those 2 squares on the side. And then the 1 and 3. So that would be our plan view. Our side elevation, we are just looking at this one, this one, this one and this one. So our 3 shapes going down, now 1 going up. 3 squares, sorry, not shapes. Then our front elevation, we will be looking at these here. So we're going to draw them now over here. Our 2 boxes. Again, yours will be drawn with a pencil and a ruler, looking a lot neater. So this is our front elevation, looking at it from front ways on. And if we put all those together, we would get this shape here. So that's your bronze and silver example. Make sure you've got that copied down into your book with a pencil and a ruler. Moving on to your bronze trial and silver trial. Pause the video here for 5 minutes. Allow the students time to do their front elevation, side elevation, and plan view. Okay? I'm going to go through the answers now. So our plan view for this shape here. So our plan. We've got our 4 here and would be 2 going along the bottom. As you can see, there's 2 there. So we are going to have a grid that looks like this. So that would be our plan view. Our side view is this bit here. Our side elevation. We've got our box, so that's your side one, and your front. We've got a little bit added on, so we've got this one here. So this is your front view. Let's draw this. Using a pencil and a ruler, please. So that's your bronze trial. Give yourselves a tick and green pen if you got it right, correct if you got it wrong. Our silver trial then, so our plan view is going to be this one, these 2, and this one. So we're going to draw that. We've got an L. So we're just wanting these shapes together. So if we draw it with our 3 going down, now 1 going across. So that would be your plan view for that one. Again, drawn with a ruler and much nicely drawn than that. Better drawing. Our side is this one. So this is our side view. It's this bit. So that's our side view. And our front is this one here. So we're looking for this bit. Just these ones. So that's our front view. So give yourselves a tick if you got that right, correct if you got it wrong, well done. Moving on now to your questions. So your bronze questions, you've got a worksheet for those. You're drawing your plan, front and side view. You're going to do the same for your silver and gold questions on the worksheets on the side. You've got some time now to have a go at those questions. Well done. Pause the video here to allow students time to have a go at the questions. I'm going to show the answers for the bronze questions now. So here are your bronze answers. Mark it in green pen, correct it where you got it right, and correct it where you got it wrong, sorry. So that's 1 and 2, 3 and 4 answers. So those are your bronze. Again, pause the video, give the students time to mark their answers. Your silver answers coming up here. Your silver answers again. So now your side view. So they were your plan view, front view, and side view for your silver answers. Your gold answers, here you're drawing the 3D shape from the plan. So well done if you got those right. Fantastic. And now going on to your diagnostic question. So here is your diagnostic question. Copy the title and then write the answer that you think it could be, A, B, C or D. So which of the following shows the elevation of this object as if you were looking at the direction the arrow is pointing? So write A, B, C or D down in your books for your diagnostic question. Your answer's coming on the screen now. So here the answer is C. Well done if you got that correct. Moving on to your exam question now. So pause the video, allow the students time to have a go at the question, and then I'm going to show you your answers. So here is your exam question. Pause the video here, allow the students time to read and answer the question. Now here is your answers. Again, pause the video, allow the students time to mark their answers. Use a green pen. Moving on to green pen sentences. Well done everyone. So full sentences, green pen. You're now more confident about either write down the know more, do more or go further. And then how was your attitude to learn today? It requires improvement, has been good, has been outstanding, and then write one of the statements. Full sentences in green pen. Well done everyone.